A little over 2 years ago, my hair started falling out, and I had no idea what to do. So for a while, I did nothing, but my hair kept falling, and eventually I decided I had to take action. And I'll be honest with you, toppers and wigs were nowhere near the top of my list. So I tried all sorts of treatments like red light therapy, supplements, medications, the lotions and potions that we see advertised all the time. But unfortunately, none of those worked for me. So I decided to try alternative hair. Now, even though those treatments didn't work for me, they were a very important stepping stone in my hair loss journey because it made me more open to trying toppers and wigs. And thank goodness it did, because wearing hair has changed my life. Wearing toppers and wigs, I have never felt more confident and more like myself. So wherever you are on your hair loss journey, whether that's treating your hair loss, not treating your hair loss, wearing hair, not wearing hair, there's no right or wrong answer. Everyone's journey is so different.